Is the Hazang Loop overrated? Is it overcrowded? Is it inauthentic and westernized? Is the traffic horrendous? These are the most common questions I get from tourists who know that I live in Vietnam, and I will answer them in this video. First, what is the Hazang Loop? It is a 3 to 5 day motorbike trip. It is 310 kilometers north of Hanoi, and you travel approximately 350 kilometers by road and explore landscapes of limestone cliffs, deep valleys, mountain tops, and traditional villages. I've done the loop twice and been to the area on a separate occasion for an off-road enduro race. I do not think the loop is overrated. It is rated so highly for a very good reason. When you take the boat on the Nyor Hui River, you'll feel relaxed and exhilarated. Sorry for that pronunciation. You'll stop off for lunch with the best view imaginable. Are the prices inauthentic for the north of Vietnam? Yes. But that's what happens when lots of tourists go somewhere and can afford to pay more. It will still be ridiculously cheap compared to Europe, America, Australia, etc. Some may argue there are better places that are cheaper and less busy. And I agree, there are some amazing places in the northwest of Vietnam. But that doesn't make Ha Giang overrated, it just makes those places underrated. A lot of people ask, is it too busy? Is the traffic terrible? Well, both times I went, it wasn't busy at all, and the traffic was fine. But if you are worried about that, choose a cold week in the North's winter to go. And most tourists will be sitting on a beach in the south of Vietnam, while you get to experience one of the world's most beautiful views. My honest opinion is people like to be different. This is why we have hipsters, unfortunately. No one wants to admit that they agree with everyone else and just follow the crowd. This is why I think people say Ha Giang or Ha Long Bay is overrated. I think it's rated so highly because it's so good. If you're looking to do the Ha Giang Loop and ride a motorbike yourself, but are a bit nervous about driving on rough terrain and on clay, book an off-road lesson with us in Hanoi before to get you the confidence to explore the Ha Giang Loop all on your own without an easy rider.